there's hundreds of thousands of crypto assets out there today. The vast majority of those are or will be totally worthless. And so investors have to be careful around that. I think it's very important to be discerning and to be very particular about which assets one is going to hold, right? There's a reason Bitcoin is still roughly 65% of the market cap of the space, because it has very clear product market fit and investor narrative and a big addressable market as this digital gold-like asset. There's a reason there's consolidation in a lot of the rest of the market cap in a few top assets, which is those are the handful that have really proven themselves and developed some degree of product market fit and economic utility. One has to be very wary going far down the table. There's hundreds of thousands of crypto assets out there today. The vast majority of those are or will be totally worthless. And so investors have to be careful around that. And they also, I think, should be wary around trading on a short-term basis. Certainly, short-term levered basis is a tough game a lot of times in the crypto space. And I think the people who've done the best in this space have taken a much more long-term fundamental view and understood that you have to be patient and you have to understand that there's volatility in the space and there will be cycles.
Robert Mitchnick, the director of digital assets at BlackRock, this guy right here, just dropped a huge warning on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Yes, if you hold any cryptocurrency right now, this video that I just played for you is massive, is huge, because he is the head of crypto. He's the head of digital assets at BlackRock. And BlackRock is the largest asset manager in the world that controls over $13 trillion worth of assets. And he is the head of crypto at BlackRock. And he just said how all of the capital, all of the money, all of it is flowing into the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Now, he didn't mention Ethereum and XRP by name, but he did say how the top cryptocurrencies are the ones that people should pay attention to. They should invest in those cryptos, and they should avoid the other hundreds of thousands of cryptocurrencies, because most of them will go to zero. And the real way to make money in cryptocurrency is to focus on the top best cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Those are the top 3 cryptocurrencies in the entire world. So obviously, Robert Mitchnick is speaking about those cryptocurrencies. And prior to joining BlackRock, Mr. Mitchnick spent time at Ripple. Literally, he worked at Ripple. He knows about Ripple. Back in 2017, he did an internship at Ripple, and Robert Mitchnick co-authored this fundamental valuation framework for crypto assets. So basically, they are predicting the price of crypto assets, predicting the future price of XRP, literally XRP, and the future fundamental value for XRP. Robert Mitchnick, this guy right here, the head of crypto at BlackRock, literally right here in this report, speaks about XRP 86 different times. They mention XRP, the XRP use cases, how XRP is used all over the world. And according to Robert Mitchnick, the director of digital assets at BlackRock, he literally says how the high estimate for XRP by 2030, this is a 2030 price prediction, is $32. So about $32, $33 by 2030. Right now, XRP is trading at around $2. So $2 to $33. That is over a 10x from today's prices, which means that that's very good returns. In about 4 years, getting a 10x, those are the types of returns that BlackRock is looking for. Now, BlackRock already owns over $97 billion worth of cryptocurrency. As you can tell, their Bitcoin holding, they have about 797,000 Bitcoin, which is worth $84 billion, making them one of the largest Bitcoin holders in the entire world. And then they hold Ethereum. They have about $14 billion worth of Ethereum. So they already hold Bitcoin. They hold Ethereum. What's next? XRP is the third largest cryptocurrency in the entire world. So this means that XRP is definitely a cryptocurrency that BlackRock is looking to buy. BlackRock will buy XRP. It's only a matter of time. They already own Bitcoin, they own Ethereum, and XRP is next. So the director of digital assets of cryptocurrency, Robert Mitchell, literally just dropped a huge warning on cryptocurrency, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on XRP. There are so many connections between BlackRock and Ripple. They are working together in many different ways, and BlackRock definitely knows about Ripple XRP, and the XRP ETFs are coming very soon. So this means that BlackRock will also have an XRP ETF. Yes, literally. The largest asset manager in the world already owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP is next. So join us, subscribe, because I will keep you all updated every single day. Until next time, Crypto AI Man. If you're looking for a place to keep your cryptocurrency safe, get yourself a decent hardware wallet right now, because this wallet uses your thumbprint to get in, so it's very secure. Thousands of you already got this wallet. I love this. I've had this for years now. It has big buttons and a big screen, so you can actually know what you're doing. You can see what you're doing. It connects to your iPhone, Android. It's just easy to use. It's very secure. It's much more secure than all the other hardware wallets out there. Right now, get yourself one or two using the links down below for a family, for a friend, for someone that you know, or if you just want an extra one, because the 2-pack is a much bigger discount. You will get $30 off on the 1-pack, but $100 off on the 2-pack right now when you use the links down below.